Siguro mga 4:30 na ng hapon. Papunta kami doon sa pond. Yung likod ng bahay na iyan yung nakikita nyo, yan ang kinaroroonan ng pond. P-O-N-D. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Punta tayo doon. Yan, malapit na tayo. Yung farmhouse. Tanaw na tanaw na. Ganda ng bukid. Green na green ang paligid. Punta tayo doon sa pond. May putik dito. Pero okay naman. Kaya tayo doon, naririnig ko na yung tubig. Tignan natin yung lumalagaslas na tubig. Diyan dito siya. Yan, lakas.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams alive. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never sleeping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. Things are gonna haunt us, put us up and put aside. Now I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time.
Magandang mag-camping dito. Malapit sa pond, sa fish pond. Ayan po siya. Uwi na po tayo. Alas 5 na. Bye-bye na po.